Alright guys, so we have two Raptor R's here today. Both have 3.8 Whipples, so basically same trucks. This one, which is mine, is all stock exhaust. This one here has SPD ported stock manifolds, SPD downpipes or mid pipes, depending on your terminology, and AWE exhaust. I'll do a startup. It'll be normal mode, sport mode, Baja, and then I'll go to quiet. I'll give you a rev in between. So between each rev, I'll change the modes. Well, I'm going to do a wide open throttle pull on both trucks. The stock exhaust, I'll have it in Baja mode, so the valves are completely open. I'm just going to do a quick hit, and then I'll do the next one. That way we can compare them side by side. Alright guys, same thing again this time. This is AWE exhaust, SPD ported manifolds, and SPD mid pipes. See, even with the AWE exhaust, you still get to keep all of your modes, even your quiet mode. Doesn't drone on the highway. If we can help you out, just let us know.